In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Facebook Messenger on Windows 11, and we'll do it in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to free up some space on your computer, or just want to try a different messaging platform, uninstalling apps is a straightforward process on Windows 11. So, let's get right into it. Begin by navigating to the bottom left corner of your screen and clicking on the Start menu. The Start menu is your gateway to all the applications and settings on your device. Once you've opened the Start menu, look for the gear icon labeled Settings and give it a click. This action will take you into the Settings window, where you can manage various aspects of your computer, including applications. Within Settings, you'll want to choose the Apps section. The Apps section is where you'll find all the software installed on your system, categorized and displayed for easy navigation. Once inside, click on Installed Apps, which provides a comprehensive list of every application currently on your PC. This will help you locate Facebook Messenger among your installed programs. Now, scroll through the list or use the search function if you have a long list of applications and find Facebook Messenger. Once you've located it, look for the three-dotted icon next to the application's name. This icon usually symbolizes More options. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. Select Uninstall from this drop-down menu. Choosing this option is the key step in removing the app from your computer. However, keep in mind that uninstalling the app will remove it entirely from your system, so ensure that you no longer need it before proceeding. After selecting Uninstall, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm and officially remove Facebook Messenger from your device. Typically, these prompts will confirm your choice and might ask if you're sure about uninstalling the app. It's important to carefully follow each instruction to ensure the process completes without a hitch. And there you have it. All done. You've successfully uninstalled Facebook Messenger from your Windows 11 computer. Removing unwanted software can greatly improve your computer's performance by freeing up valuable system resources and storage space. If you're experiencing any problems or need further assistance, feel free to refer to the Windows support page or Microsoft's help forums. They provide comprehensive guides and support options for troubleshooting any issues you might encounter. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video helped you seamlessly uninstall Messenger from your Windows 11 system. If it did, consider subscribing for more quick tech tips and tutorials.